our channel. Let's learn about different classes of kingdom fungi. This kingdom mostly consists of multicellular and saprophytic members. Kingdom fungi is basically divided into 4 classes: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. The class Deuteromycetes is also called as imperfect fungi. That is why we have represented it in a different branch. Now let's see the first class, that is Phycomycetes, in some details. The members of Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats, decaying woods, or some are parasitic in nature. The most common example is Rhizopus, which is commonly called as the bread mold. You can see Rhizopus in rotten vegetables also. The mycelium of this class is aseptate and coinocytic. Aseptate means the partitions are not present between different cells, and coinocytic means the cytoplasm is multinucleated. Asexual reproduction is by zoospores, which are motile, or aplanospores, which are non-motile. Spores are produced in sporangium. In sexual reproduction, zygospores are formed by the fusion of 2 gametes, and the gametes can be isogamous of the same size or anisogamous of different sizes. Now let's see the second class, that is Ascomycetes, in some details. The class Ascomycetes is most commonly called as the sac fungi. The only unicellular member of this kingdom, that is yeast, it belongs to this class. The other members are penicillium, which are multicellular. They can be decomposers, saprophytic, or parasitic. Mycelium is branched and septate. Asexual spores are conidia, which are produced on special mycelium called as conidiophores. And sexual spores are ascospores, which are produced in ascus, and these ascus are arranged in fruiting bodies called as ascocarps. Basidiomycetes, the third class. All the mushrooms belong to this class. They are saprophytic or parasitic in nature. Some examples of parasitic Basidiomycetes are rusts and smuts. The mycelium is branched and septate. Asexual spores are not present, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is very common. Sexual reproduction, Basidiospores is produced in basidium, and these basidia are arranged in fruiting bodies called as basidiocarps. Deuteromycetes. This class is also called as imperfect fungi because sexual reproduction is not seen in Deuteromycetes. Only asexual or vegetative phases of these fungus are known. Asexual reproduction by asexual spores are known as conidia. Mycelium is septate and branched. It is believed that after asexual reproduction by the conidia, when mature mycelium is formed, they belong to Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes. Most of the members are decomposers and help in mineral cycling, example Alternaria and Trichoderma.